Cadillac Ranch is a public art installation and sculpture in Amarillo, Texas, USA. It was created in 1974 by Chief Lord Hudson Marquez and Doug Michels, who were a part of the art group and Palm. The installation consists of 10 Cadillacs from 1949 to 1963, buried nose first in the ground. Installed in 1974, the cars were either older running, used, or junk cars, together spanning the successive generation of the car line and the defining evolution of their tailfins. Cadillac Ranch was originally located in a wheat field, but in 1997, the installation was quietly moved by a local contractor to a location 2 miles to the west, to a cow pasture along Interstate 40, in order to place it farther from the limits of the growing city. Both sites belong to the local millionaire Stanley March III, the patron of the project. Marsh was well known in the city for his long-time patronage of artistic endeavors, including the Cadillac Ranch, Floating Mesa, Amarillo Ramp, a work by land artist Robert Smithson, and a series of fake traffic signs throughout the city, known collectively as the Dynamite Museum. As of 2013, Stanley Marsh III did not own the Cadillac Ranch. Ownership appears to have been transferred to a family trust sometime before his June 2014 death. Cadillac Ranch is visible from the highway, and though located on a private land, visiting it by driving along a frontage road and entering the pasture by walking through an unlocked gates is tacitly encouraged. In addition, graffiti on or otherwise spray painting the vehicles is now encouraged, and the vehicles, which have long since lost their original colors, are widely decorated. On-farm artists have encouraged this kind of public interaction with the cars. cars are periodically repainted various colors, once while for the filming of a television commercial, another time paint in honor of Stanley's wife Wendy's birthday, and again all 10 cars were painted black to mark the passing of ant farm artist Doug Michels, or simply to provide a fresh canvas for future visitors. In 2012, they were painted rainbow colors to commemorate Gay Pride Day. The cars were briefly restored to their original colors by the motel chain Hampton Inn in a public relations sponsored series of Route 66 landmark restoration project. The new paint jobs and even the plaque commemorating the project lasted less than 24 hours without fresh graffiti. On September 8, 2019, the oldest of the Cadillacs was reportedly damaged by an arson fire. As I pause here, I hope you enjoy our ride. Don't forget to watch my next episode and please hit the red subscribe button below for it means so much for me. Until next time, thank you so much.